So we're gonna bring out our little babies. So this is like, I think they've only ever performed maybe once or twice, yeah? Maybe once or twice before this. So we're hoping that you can give them a real warm welcome and encourage them. It's not easy to come out and do the hula in front of everybody, but they are so beautiful and we want to share them with you tonight. So our little keiki will be doing Holoholo Ka'a, talking about going cruising on the car, and the little grass shack. This is our Moana's Papaliko, and we would like you to please give them a big round of applause as they take center stage. Look how So Moana's has been in existence for 60 plus years, free of charge for keiki, ranging from as early as they can walk around to kupuna at any age, and everybody in between, male and female. So we are so happy to keep this hula tradition alive, and we thank you, Moloka'i, for always supporting us in our efforts. Once again, this is Moana's Papaliko with Holoholo Ka'a and My Little Grass Shack. Okay, wait. Hang on. We no more guitar. Okay. Yeah, it was our fault. Okay, now look forward.
Just smile. Just keep smiling.
No, my battery just died.
So after 60 years, Raymond's battery finally died. So we're gonna get hooked up over here. Come on, give them a big hand. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Once again, this is Moana's Papaliko with Holoholo Ka'a and My Little Grass Shack.
We will make small adjustment, no minutes.
Yeah. So
Half of us guys on stage, we don't know the song.
Yeah. I don't know how to dance.